of the advantages of SmartHub is that you can conveniently make payments from your smartphone or tablet. This video shows you how to add, edit, and delete payment account information on your iPhone that you can use to quickly pay your bill when it's due. From the SmartHub home screen, tap the Bill and Pay icon. Tap Manage Payment Methods. The Payment Methods screen displays any payment methods you've stored for use with your SmartHub account. To add a new payment method, tap Add Payment Method in the table. Select the appropriate payment type, in this case, a checking account. The next screen displays your known information in many of the fields, but you can edit the fields if necessary. All required fields must be completed before proceeding. When you're satisfied your entries are correct, tap the Continue button. Confirm your decision to store this payment method by tapping the Submit button. A success message displays. Tap OK. Rest assured, your information is securely stored in accordance with credit card industry data security standards. If you wish to change some details associated with a payment method, such as adding a description or changing a phone number, tap the payment method in question. The payment method details display in a form with mostly editable fields. Some fields, like bank account routing and account numbers or credit card numbers, cannot be edited. If you wish to change information in fields that can't be edited, you'll need to delete the payment method and add a new payment method using the updated information. But if you only need to change the information in the modifiable fields, proceed until you're satisfied with your changes and then tap Continue. If everything looks right, tap Submit. A message displays requiring you to tap OK, and the payment method screen refreshes. Deleting an existing payment method is even easier. Just tap the Edit button in the top right corner. Tap the minus sign to the left of the payment method you wish to delete. Tap the Delete button to the right. A success message displays, requiring you to tap OK, and the deleted payment method is removed from the Payment Methods table. Tap Done to exit edit mode. Managing payments is easy in SmartHub. Here's a recap. To manage your payment methods, access the Bill and Pay screen and tap Manage Payment Methods. Here you can add a new payment method, edit some of the payment type details, or delete a method you no longer want to store with your account. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to manage payment methods on your iPhone. If you'd like more information about how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.